Chiefs with the opportunity. Click, click, bang! Nicely done. And it's Bernard Parker in the moment. Wouldn't have been no target. Kaizer Chiefs push forward with Masala looking for it. Drifts by one. Oh, it's a stunner! Absolute stunner from Knowledge Masala. Tinyam beaten hands down. Kaizer Chiefs with 2 quality goals. One from Parker, another.
It is Bernard Parker, denied by Tinyam.
Oh, on goal!
Season 2014-2015 season. Absa Premiership, but now it's called Betway Premiership. Sasine player panefana no Mashamayete, Kilampila, Sasine player panefana Punch Masinamela, Itemelo Nkune, South Africa's #1, Sasine player panefana no Eric Matoho or Mashamayete. That was the team that we had back in 2014-2015. So we are trying to simulate like teams Sasinayo back then. A team that was balanced from goalkeeper department, defense, in midfield, going to attack. Everyone was giving everything. He plays Fanakonyo Mandla Masango. Zita Gwenika was also there. Kula team 2014-2015. I think Waibuya Kilon Kilatasha. So if ever now you remember something about us in 2014-2015, please drop a comment so that so many people essentially like it. Sibaboni is a man about essential busy, but Kaizer Chiefs is not even going to win the league. He's not even going to make it to the top 8. He's a number 5 or number 6. Listen here, Kaizer Chiefs has one game because I'm a supporter. I'm a coach for life. I've been supporting Kaizer Chiefs since I don't know I was born. Okay, and again, we're the content, the channel to prove that to you. But this season we're going to live the Premiership, and the reason being this issue, I'm going to prove it in each and every video that I'm uploading here. People can see that I'm already telling the story. I'm already putting the puzzle or the missing pieces of the puzzle together to show you that we're going to win, we're going to prosper this season. Relax, don't worry about essential like essential like setup and I mean like backing is like us backing midfielder, backing defense, and the competition the right the health like talking about the right back here too. Sino Frosla, Sino Monyane, no Solomons, a player panning abalekanga. All of those players are crucial to us. Spin the CL left, Sino Landuka, Sino Marcos, Sino Cross, Sino Lumchito, Landuko Shinga, Panas, no Happy Machiane. Those boys are also still important to us, and everyone is going to be given a chance. It's the way that we worked back in 2014-2015 towards winning the Absa Premiership. Now we're going to do the same thing